Hey y'all. Y'all didn't know that I was with the DEA, did ya? That's right. Here, check this one out. See that? It says right there, I'm with the DEA, Drug Enforcement Agency. And what that means is I want you all to send me your drugs because I'm here to enforce that America has the top qualitiest, most drugs, the best drugs that you can have on out there. And I want to check everybody's drugs on out just to make sure they're up to par. So you all send me a sample of your drugs and I'll let you know where your drugs stand on the market, okay? Anyway, what we're doing with this video here today is this here ice chest. We're going to move it up to the house. So here, come along with me. We're going to move it from here to here. So come along with me and see how this journey, where this journey goes.
In the northwest, I've seen a man control hair to its chest. Don't be worried, just breathe and rain. We'll sit by the fire all night. Pay close attention, it might change the way that you think. Here's your mountain, it's a comfortable place. It sure is better than the city rat race. It's a wonderful place. He's a simple man with a heart of gold inside. He loves his family and he loves the life that he chose. He uses his tractor to flatten the land that he owns.
Yeah. Don't you just love it when you're shooting footage and your camera shuts off and you don't catch one do it better, but it shuts off when you turn your back? I had a continuous shot going and I moved the camera, set it up over here. It was going good. I walked away and it shuts off on me. So y'all didn't get to see me dragging it out the trailer, but it was uneventful. Nothing exciting happened. So anyway, now I gotta see if I can lift this sucker on up and get it moved up into place. Let's go along.
It's a wonderful place to go just be careful drinking his mountain water.
Well, y'all, that's as good as it's going to get for now. Next thing I got to do is plug it in. I got it chill out. Don't get your grandpa. Oh boy, y'all, that's a warm one today. Whew. This is some good water here. Just don't drink that water too fast. Okay. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little history on this ice chest that I got here. Ice freezer, whatever you want to call it, a commercial ice freezer. Fran had it in front of her market out here at Hilltop Market. Yeah, that you're from Sweet Home, you know Fran, so we won't go into them stories, okay? We ain't gonna be doing bad mouthing thing here. And she was pretty cool old lady. I did like her, but anyway, she moved on, moved into her home since the UCBC, and another young gentleman from overseas has purchased it. He did a remake on the store, on Hilltop store. Go there all the time, but to me it's still Hilltop Market. I don't know what it's called. It's just like, you know, what's the other one? The other one down below, that's just, that will always be Glenn's Market. But anyway, the young gentleman that bought the by the store, he did a complete remake and he got a new freezer. He wanted to get the thing on out of there. And it's pretty ugly and beat up. And he said anybody that wants it can have it. So I went on down there thinking it didn't work. Well, a good friend of mine used to work for me years ago when he first graduated from high school. He told me that he could come on over here and fix it. He works for a heating and air conditioning outfit now, and he's into that type of stuff. So I said, have at it. It'd be great if you could, because I was just going to turn it into a kiln or something. As it turned out, he came on in over, put a little bit of Freon. The two fans on it were kind of froze up. He unfroze both of them, and I ended up losing my two nuts over that, so we only got one fan inside of it right now. I got to run on down to Hoy's hardware store and buy two little tiny nuts, and I should know how to find two little tiny nuts, I would guess. But anyway, no big deal. It only runs on 15 amps. So I got it plugged on in. We plugged it in the other day when it was sitting on the trailer, and it did start cooling off. So now I got it over here, and I'm going to let it run for 5 or 6 hours, and I'm going to check the temperature inside, and we're going to see if it's freezing. And if it is, I'm going to start storing stuff in it. Mind you, I won't be storing any meat on in here until it stayed frozen for 2 or 3, 4 days, a week preferably, but so that it's not going to have a huge fluctuation. That I'm not sold on yet. That I don't know if there's something wrong with it. It's sat for a long time. But my goal is to keep a little bit of vegetables from the garden and a whole lot of venison from the garden in here. That's my goal. Anything else I can tell you about it? Oh, when I was moving it on, when I unloaded it from the trailer, dang it, I hate it. Sometimes I'm recording my cell phone that I record these videos with. I look at it every time. I'll make sure that it's the round circle, and everything gets set up. It doesn't have the little white square in there, And what that white square, that way I know I got to push stop. It was all set. It was going fine. I turned around and walked away, and just as I'm getting back on the tractor, it shuts off. It shut off when I was away from the camera, and there's nobody home but me. So, I don't know, my camera's haunted or something. I think it's Willie. But anyway, if y'all enjoyed this video, how about giving a like, a share, a subscribe? And I really hope you do share my videos. The ones that you feel that are worthy of sharing. I don't want y'all sharing a video that you think, oh, this is stupid. because I really don't want other people viewing my stupid videos. But if you like my video, if you really like my video, how about sharing it with your friends? Just remember, folks, if the girls don't find it handsome like me, they can find it handy like me. And if they don't find it handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, yeah. Ah! Well, girl, it's just you and me now.